Make a payment for your accounts payable in Brisk Accounts. Click the red Pay Account Payable Previously Entered button on the dashboard. Select the account, payment date, and supplier. Adjust amounts if needed, choose the payment method, and click Record. Continue watching for more details on how to make a payment for your accounts payable in Brisk Accounts. To pay an existing accounts payable in Brisk Accounts, click the red Pay Account Payable Previously Entered button on the dashboard. You can also go to the Purchases section in the left side menu, choose Pay Account Payable, and click New Payment. From the drop-down, select the account the payment was made from and enter the payment date. Then choose the Supplier from the Supplier drop-down. Brisk Accounts will automatically display the supplier's outstanding accounts payable and amounts. You can adjust both the total amount and the amounts applied to each payable if needed. Next, choose the payment method from the Method drop-down, fill in any other relevant details, and click Record to save the payment. To make changes later, click the payment number, update the details, and click Record again. To remove a payment, click the trash bin icon at the end of the row. For more Brisk Accounts tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.